The first step in replacing the rear shocks is to remove the wheels for better access. Removing the spare tire may help as well, but we've chosen to leave ours on. Once the vehicle is jacked up and secured on jack stands, remove the wheel on the corner you'll be working on. Start with the top shock mounting bolt. You'll need a wrench to hold the top part of the shock, keeping the shock tube from turning. Put a socket onto the top nut and start wrenching. Access to the top nut is very tight, so take your time and be patient. Once the top nut is off, move on to the bottom bolt. The bottom bolt access is easy. Just hold on to the bolt with a wrench and use your socket wrench to remove the nut. Hang on to the nut and bolt so you can reuse it with the new shock. Before installing the new shock, put the cup washer and bushing on the top stud just like this. Place the bottom of the shock into the mount and insert the bolt. You might need to tap the bolt a few times to encourage it through. Now, put the nut on the bolt. With the bottom bolt in place, take a moment to determine where the top mount inserts into the top mounting hole. Once you have your aim, cut the plastic strap on the shock. It will decompress slowly and you'll be able to guide the upper bolt into the mounting hole. Install the top bushing and cup washer. Then wrench the top nut onto the top shock bolt. Tighten the top and bottom bolts, then just repeat on the other side of the vehicle and you're ready to ride.
Think ahead. Think advance.